is hilarious.
Drake's getting hot. Yo, you can fucking shift, bro. Holy shit, that was awesome. Got him by like a half a car almost.
Yeah.
So what all's done to the truck? It's a Tacoma, right?
No, it's a Toyota pickup.
Oh, Toyota pickup. Okay.
Yeah, it's got a 2JZ stock motor, just head studs, R154. Pretty
Nice.
simple. Mega Sport E85, S366.
Awesome. Pretty basic setup.
Yeah.
Nice. What does the
Pretty
thing weigh?
simple.
You know?
Factory 25. It's got some weight in the bed for traction and bigger motor, bigger
So
rear
pretty light,
end.
man.
Yeah, probably 27, 28.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Got the good old man pedal.
Yeah.
It's badass, dude. It's definitely one of the more unique things we've had out here.
It was running about 2 years ago. I parted it out and I just built it back now. But I used to have a Turbo 400, made 860.
Oh wow.
Through the auto. Yeah, it was pretty wild back then. But now I just rebuilt it just for street, you know, just to have some fun on the street.
And with the stick shift, I imagine it's a ton of fun, you know?
Yeah, it's funner, but it's also gets a little bit like, it's wild.
Yeah. Okay.
You gotta be throwing gears and shit. Alright, so we're in a 300ZX. I understand it's a 2J swap?
Yep.
What turbo's on the car?
S369 billet.
Okay, what kind of power are we pushing?
The max it made on the dyno was about 840, 850. We have it turned down today to about 680, 700.
680, okay. What transmission?
370Z.
Nice. Yeah, a lot of people going with that now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Who tuned the car?
So the car was originally tuned by Durf on this setup.
Okay.
And then after changing the rear end and the transmission and the intake, Nigel Premier Performance made some adjustments with me on the dyno. So we're still waiting to go back again and really see what the car has in it now. Cool. But should be like for an interesting time.
Awesome, man. Cool. Yeah, we're racing this Toyota pickup truck with a 2J swap, I guess. You know the guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So I guess we agreed to a 40 roll. Come around now.
That is nuts, bro. This thing is fast. This thing is fast. Here, pull right here. Holy shit, this thing moves, bro. I would have never guessed.
Where?
No, just stay right here and talk to him. Let's see if he wants to do another run. This thing fucking moves out. Holy shit, this thing's fast. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So this is the second one I've been in. These things are just absolutely amazing, man. Technology-wise, and they're simple. This one's not as simple as the other McLarens.
Yeah, the 5.7.
But it's still very simple. But it's so sweet.
It's actually got a lot of room back there, you know.
Yeah.
I threw all my shit back there on the way.
You can fit a couple people back there.
I put my bag, my hoodie, all kinds of shit back there.
Yeah, this thing is super sweet, man.
Yeah, ever since I came out here, well, I told you the 570 I have was out here the same day that Marco ran the 9.
Oh yeah,
the gray one. So I bought that one, and ever since I took a test ride in that white one before I bought it, I was just like, I have to have one. And now I have to have two,
fun
you know?
man. Yeah, it's just incredible machines for what you get. get. I mean, they're obviously, it's not to say like it's a
GTR,
it's not a cheap car by any means,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
it's so much more packed into, you know, what you get.
I mean,
These cars can go 9s,
the
don't stop.
720, for instance, is great in the street and on the track.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's like a great.
It's basically
mix of
like a
both.
mini P1.
Exactly.
You know, like it's the closest thing you're getting without spending $1 million.
Exactly. You know, like, I'd love to have a P1. Personally, they're my favorite looking cars I've ever
Oh, for
seen.
sure, for sure.
And
They're a little bit faster than these, I think.
Yeah, they're supposed to be. I mean, they make 900 something because of the electric engine,
Right,
hybrid
right.
shit.
Oh yeah. Man, this thing just starts trucking up top, dude. Bro, the thing is so badass. We got you up top, but it was close. Dude, awesome.
I was genuinely scared.
Yeah, he was a little worried at first.
Yeah, I was. I was like, yeah.
I'll take one of those sweaters, bro.
If I wasn't so cool, I'd give it to you.
You guys want to? Now you have to trade. No. Run for pinks.